Good day. Welcome to Amando Coffee College online tutorial. I am Oriel Cano, a third education student of Amando Coffee College. I am here to discuss about storm. Let me ask you something. Have you experienced being under the storm? If so, you know how terrifying a storm can be, but you don't know everything yet. So we are here to give you added information about storm. So what is a storm? The English words come from Proto-Germanic stormas, meaning noise. It is a violent disturbance of the atmosphere with a strong wind and usually rain, thunder, or snow. It harms lives and destroys livestock. It may cause casualties or death. Now you know how devastating storm can be. But did you know that there are different kinds of storm? You might be wondering why I said there are different kinds of storm. So here it is. First one is the hailstorm. Second, cyclone. The third one is the firestorm. And the fourth one, tornado. And the fifth one is the thunderstorm. So I will discuss first the hailstorm. Hailstorm is a part of the thunderstorm that produces hail that reaches the ground. When we say hail, it's a golf ball size ice that's not melted due to abnormality in the weather. It can give a serious injuries when you get hit. It can even ruin your cars since hail the same size as a golf ball and hard as a rock. So, how hailstorm form? Hail form when thunderstorm updrafts are strong enough to carry water droplets above the freezing level. This freezing level process a hailstone which can grow as additional water freeze onto it. Eventually, the hailstone become too heavy for the updraft support. It falls to the ground. So we are now done discussing about the hailstorm. So let's now talk about the second type is the cyclone. What is cyclone? Cyclone is a weather disturbance in which it have a large scale of mass that rotates around the strong center of low atmospheric pressure. Destructive range is almost as large as an island or a country. It can inflict tremendous damage in a certain area. So, how cyclone form? Cyclones are like giant engines that use warmth, moist air as fuel. That is why they form only over warm ocean near the equator. So now we are done with the cyclone. Let's now proceed with the firestorm. Firestorm is a conflagration that attains such intensity that creates a sustained its own wind system. It's the most commonly a natural phenomenon created some of largest bushfire and wildfire. An intense and destructive fire, typically one caused by bombing, in which strong current of air are drawn into place, making it burn more fiercely. So, how firestorm form? A firestorm is created as a result of the stack effect of the heat of the original fire draws in more and more surrounding air. As the after tornadoes or mushroom form from firestorm, strong and well-directed gusty wind develop around the fire, supplying it with additional air. So we go now with the tornado. So what is a tornado? Tornado is a rapid rotating air that contact with both surface on earth and cumulonimbus cloud. A tornado is a narrow, violent rotating column of air that extends from the base of thunderstorm to the ground. Did you know how tornadoes form? So here it is. Tornado form from thunderstorm. You need warm, moist air from Gulf of Mexico and cool, dry from Canada. When these two air masses meet, they create stability in the atmosphere. Most strong and violent tornadoes from within this area of strong rotation. Lastly, the thunderstorm. Thunderstorm. So what is thunderstorm? Thunderstorm with thunder and lightning and typically also heavy rain or hail. Thunderstorm occur in association with a type of clouds known as cumulonimbus cloud. How is thunderstorm formed? Thunderstorm form water vapor condense with form of cumulus cloud when condensation occurs. Heat is released helping thunders grow. So, everyone, did you enjoy? to get new information about storm, I have 3 questions for you. First one, what are you going to do if storm will hit your tank? Second, what are the things you have to prepare for storm is coming? The third, what will you do after the storm?